How to add product reviews in Shopify store. So before we start, check out the best hosting services. They are recommended by experts with years of experience. To choose your one, click the links in the description below. So let's get started. First of all, we need to go to the apps and we need to search for the reviews, and you just need to go to the Shopify app store, which is official, or you can simply search for apps.shopify.com. So once you are in, as you can see, we have a lot of reviews applications that are providing this service. Some are paid, some are free as well. So let's go with the judge.me, which has the highest downloads and also built for Shopify. So you just need to tap on the install and follow the on-screen instructions now. So first of all, we need to select our language, and as you can see, where would you like to install this? So you just need to select your current theme, and then you need to tap on start setup button and also enable app embed, where you need to simply enable these two options. So to do this quickly, you just need to click on this allow app embed, and then you just need to make sure it is enabled and tap on this save on the top right. Once you are done, you can now close this and tap on the next step. After that, as you can see, we have to again tap on the install review widgets, and this will take us to a new page in our store. After that, as you can see, it has taken me to this particular page where we have this in the applications. So this is the interface and this is how it looks like. You can also customize it by going in the apps on your left side and select the review widgets. From there, you can tap on the customize setting in judge.me. As you can see, we have the language option, date and location format, and multi-language store, and at the end installation as well. But the option that we have to go for is the widgets on the left side, and as you can see, we have the review widgets and tap on the manage. Once you are in, you can now change the theme of your widget as well as your color scheme as well. And on your right side, you can see the preview of how it will looks like. And if I scroll a little bit down, we have these main options, which is photos and videos. You can also enable or disable it, which is saying allow reviewers to upload photos or videos. It can depend on your business if you want to go with it or not. At the end, once you are done with all of that, you just need to save changes and you are good to go. So at the end, that's how it will looks like on your final page. So that was the process of how you can add review in Shopify store.